Hi, Renee coming at you from the Country Sampler Studio again. Just gonna give you a quick how to fold a nice napkin for your holiday table. Whatever holiday it is, you can use it for any table idea at all, and it's super, super simple. So just follow along real quick and we'll do this together. I'm gonna fold my napkin in half. I'm gonna fold my napkin in half again. I'm gonna turn the napkin so that these points are facing me, the ones that have the loose corners, and then you just fold each one down kind of in a graduated fashion. So the tips are facing all the same direction there, obviously. Fold 3 out of the 4, leave the 4th one in the back. Then fold your corners, your sides, I guess I should say, so that you create a simple pocket, just like that. Here is the finished version, and this is very similar to what I put together for the feature that you can take a look at in the September issue when it comes out, to see how we decorated the whole table for fall and Thanksgiving. So take a look at that and keep your eye open for your napkin and enjoy folding your napkins.